guys, wagwan, welcome to my channel play series. Today I'm gonna show you how to make banana bread. Remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Bye. Preheat your oven at 350 degrees. These are the ingredients you're gonna need: baking soda, salt, all-purpose flour, ripe bananas, vanilla, butter, eggs, sugar. So now we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Combine all of these dry ingredients. In a medium or large mixing bowl, we're going to put 4 to 5 ripe bananas. There is no such thing as an overripe banana when you're making banana bread, guys. Please note. Then we're going to put a 1/2 cup of butter, 3/4 cups of brown sugar. Then we're going to combine all of that with a whisk or a fork. So the aim is just to get out the major lumps of banana and combine that butter in with the sugar. It doesn't have to be completely smooth. You can also use a hand mixer. So after combining all of that, we're going to add 2 whole room temperature eggs and a 1/4 cup of milk. This is optional. I just like milk in my banana bread. A 1/2 cork or 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. You can use more or less if you want to, or you can use nutmeg, cinnamon, whatever floats your boat. So we're going to combine all of that good stuff, and then we are going to add our flour. Now I prefer to add the flour in parts, half first, half later, but you should be just fine if you want to add all the flour at once. So now we're just going to grease our pan with butter so the banana bread does not stick. You want to make sure you get all the corners. Try not to miss a spot. There we go. Perfect. Now you just add your mixture to the pan. We're just going to use the whisk and kind of level out the mixture. You can use a spatula if you like. I'm just using the whisk because it was closer. nice and leveled. Now I'm just adding some sliced bananas as toppings. You can add whatever you like. You can add raisins, you can add nuts. It's really up to you. Have fun with it. You can also put raisins inside, nuts inside. It doesn't really matter. It will come out perfect. So now it's time to put it in the oven, and we're going to bake it for 60 to 65 minutes. So to check if it's ready, just insert a toothpick in the center, and if it comes out clean, you know we're good to go. So here I'm just using a spatula to kind of lift those edges, just to ensure that everything comes off clean. Prevention is better than cure, guys. So moment of truth. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. Try toasted banana bread. It is amazing. You won't regret. You're welcome. All that's left to do is enjoy.